Carmen and I decided to get up extra early this morning. 5:31 a.m.
God, early bird gets the worm.
Early bird gets the worm.
So early, I don't even know what to do with myself.
I know, big day ahead of us today. You didn't even drink your coffee at all.
It tasted like hot dogs.
It's actually really nice out. Nope, it's freezing. Yep, staying inside today.
Copyrighted music. What kind of car are you driving?
Prius GT.
This is a sponsor.
This is a sponsor by Smart Car. Whoa, cool.
Oh.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh my god!
Are you ready for this?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I tell a story about a girl named Gloria, walking through Astoria with 3-story legs in a penthouse, ass getting double takes from every man that walked past, and she walked past Tory. I'll tell you his story, his past, his story, show he feel it mandatory to try to gas every girl he see walking past with an ass like Gloria. Wait, am I boring ya? Long story short, Tory said, hey shorty, if alcohol was booty, girl, you would be a 40.
Almost 7 a.m.
Almost 7 a.m. We got the whole day ahead of us.
We're
Sun.
finally leaving the house.
Yep.
Sun is finally out. Is this a good angle? Yeah. Thumbnail.
It's so early in the morning. I'm the star. Shred it off! Test it out, make sure it got some good bump to it. Well, you don't have to land it for a picture.
Debbie said we can play with dogs. The bounty hunter?
I'm gonna get a $2 chicken box.
Will, do your motorcycle impression. Pretty good.
Hi, I'm Gabby. This is Izzy.
Oh,
Butters on there.
We're gonna hang it from fishing wire on the towel. And we're gonna hang that from the ceiling so they have like the.
Whoa. Charlie, what are you doing?
I'm trying to make a cast so then we can pour silicone in there and then we can have a thing of my finger.
Any wise words or wisdom for the viewers out there?
Check this out. Guys, the perfect cast of my finger. The perfect cast.
Is that your nail?
Wait, is that of your thumb?
It's my pinky.
You have to do your thumb.
I'll do my thumb.
So Carmen, any wise words?
You know icebreaker games that you play in class when you get to know someone? They always play is like, what's your name and like your favorite food and what city you're from, what's your major? Yeah. My favorite food is Kraft macaroni and cheese. And so I'm like, oh, my favorite food is Kraft macaroni and cheese. And everyone's like, as an adult. So what I'm saying is, eat Kraft macaroni and cheese all the F you want.
Charlie is not a genius.
Ow, 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 ow. Oh, that was deep. Oh, that was deep.
Charlie, why are you hurting yourself?
Because I want to get a cast of each of my fingers. See, there's my thumb.
Interview with Charlie Beam, the vlog man himself.
Charlie, the Tyra's talk show or Ellen DeGeneres' talk show?
What?
Answer it now. This is a speed.
Ellen.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee.
Glasses or contact?
Glasses.
Hands, please.
Hands.
Regular light bulbs or LED?
Regular light bulbs.
Hot dogs or brats?
Brats.
Burgers, turkey burgers.
Burgers.
PB&J grilled cheese.
PB&J.
Apples, oranges.
Oranges.
Fingernail polish, toenail polish.
Toenail polish.
Crying or vomiting?
Vomiting.
So Charlie, if you were a rapper, what would your rapper name be?
John Grizzy. It's been that since 5th grade. Alright, so I only have my ring finger left. Should I keep going or is that good, do you think?
That one's that way you can have all 5. And then hide them around the place. And then people will find them. And it's like Easter egg hunt. And when they find it, they get a prize. But the prize is just your finger cast. That's it. You don't get anything else.
1, 2, 3. Did it look good?
Confidence,